How's it going, my furry friends? I am Skye The Dog, almost like I got me back. And there's paper here, and there's a pencil there. It's stuck under the computer. Pencil here, so you guessed it, we're going to be doing some live drawing. I don't know, I might keep this as a whole. You might get bored, so if you get bored easily, like, please don't watch this video. I might be doing some actual tutorials later. I don't know, some more stuff with my voice in it, which is going to annoy the heck out of people because my voice is annoying. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing a furcon badge for Skye, or Furry Fun. She is another good YouTuber. I like her video. I don't like them, I love them. There's her and a few others I'm going to be doing live drawings for. I've got a buttload of artist paper, which is only 50p from Pound World. Yes, I'm in the UK. Bloody idiots. I'm thinking, making fun out of me. I don't care. I like it. Yeah, but we're going to be doing basically a free hugs badge, which basically says you're open for hugs. I'm going to be doing one of them for me. So we're trying a new style. I'll show you. I threw all the other badge all the way over there. Be right back. I jump off my chair. Sounds like I'm farting. Alright, so my normal style of drawing is that's Edward's badge. That's Sherbert's badge. That's going to be his new fursuit, hopefully. Well, he hasn't got one yet, so I don't know why I'm saying new. But we're going to be getting one soon. Very soon, then we'll record video. Well, not soon. Shut up. I'll probably pay for them. But we're going to do it like that. We're not going to do one like this. We're going to do one like this and a different style. It's a different style we're going to be doing first. One like this, which is the Kyongo, like the name and the character. That's going to be 2D. But when the free hugs one's done, the free hugs is going to be a style. Which, let me just look for it. I'll show you what it looks like. It's basically that, but it will be better. This is for Coda, like, this is fan. I'll do a whole video on that. But basically, the style is gonna be... That's the street art of Sunny. That style. It's like a new style, but I just figured it. Like, I was messing around drawing, and I wanted to do something more realistic, toony type. And I figured, like, heck, that looks cool. So I'm going to use this as a template for free hugs. But let's get right to it. I'm going to... Yeah, I can't be bothered to speed it.
Tell me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat. like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
Alright, so guys, we are back. That's what I've got. Next video, I'll record another video doing badges.